you see this?
Sack the top. Bro, that's the same fitment.
It's the exact same fitment, bro.
Still got flares.
Yeah, it's fucking nuts. Yeah, even your front.
You got 2 fingers, mate. That was hard, eh?
Oh, there is like millimeters of clearance, man.
What?
So it's on 2?
Oh, yeah.
I like how the bumper flows with the stop body. It looks good.
It looks good, man.
Yeah,
Like,
it does. Like the vertical.
Does your handbrake work?
yeah.
Stock handbrake?
Yeah.
No extensions or nothing?
No, stop here. It's smart. It's fucking nuts, man. Look at that.
Is it touching?
Yeah. I would have to remove some spaces.
What space is it?
Is it already recording?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's fucking fat.
That's tight. That's motherfucking tight.
Oh my god. Oh.
Wings, bro. I can't believe how tight that is. Fucking. Oh, I was tight.
Oh my.
Alright, let's polish it.
Oh, okay. Nah.
So glossy.
What the
cars.
fucking yeah. Yeah, it's fucking meaty, man.
The match made in heaven. Legal. But dick only refused. It won't fit.
Tight as fuck, boy.
You fucking fight.
Fucking tight, nice and tight. So if you can hear that, I'm fucking robbing everywhere. Legit. Who knew that fucking 9.5 would rub in worse than fucking 10.5s? Time to do some more camber shit and some more fitment issues. And we'll be sweet. Shut the fuck up, man. The TE37's are on right now. I need to do a bit of raising on the front, and the rear I need to do a little bit of an adjustment to the lip. So I am running a spacer. I'm running GK Tech's 30mm adjustable spacers. Hands down the best fucking quality of like bolt-on spacers ever. The studs are mad. They have good rep. It's sick. I love them. Also, I have BC coils now. I got rid of the MCAs because the spring rates are a bit too soft for what I was planning on doing, or the plan for the car. You can see where I'm rubbing. Like where I'm rubbing, like right there, and also a little bit there. So if hopefully just by raising it a little tiny bit, it should have enough clearance for like full lock without having like a binding effect. So we're gonna try this height at the moment. I don't want to raise it too much, just in case I want to go lower. But yeah, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. This is the perfect height for it. Raise it up a tiny bit more, but it's still rubbing on the inner wall a tiny bit. The backside's perfect. Oh yeah, I think I just have to raise it up a tiny bit. And this is the reason why I can't run a fattest tire being this low. Look at my wiring loom. It's fucked. I need to rewrap it. That's not good. That's not good. Fuck my life. Not too hard of a fix though, pretty easy. But yeah, as you can see, like, even this side, this is the right hand side of the car, rubbing there, rubbing along here, and I've like pinched the weld, like the pinch weld, whatever they're called. Also up here, it's a bit scratch and shit. But yeah, I have tucked my loom up over the lip. It's not too hard. You do have to cut like a little slit in here, so this doesn't come so far up here. It has to go higher. But because it's such a flat tire, it hits there still on full lock, wherever the fuck it is. There. Yeah. So on full lock, it will just hit all the way here. So need to rewrap that, adjust this height, and then we should be good.